Hello everyone, welcome to the session Object Oriented Programming through Java. Myself Navya, I am an assistant professor from CSIT department in MLR Institutions of Technology, and today we are discussing the concept of package in Java. So we are discussing what is a package and types of packages, and we are going to know how you are going to write an user defined package. So coming to the package. So, what is a package? Package is a container of classes, interfaces and sub-packages. So, you can simply say if you are having a computer, you will have a folder. What folder consists of? Folder consists of another folders with some documents or other documents, image files or like that. So, in the same way, here in Java, a package can contain n number of classes, interfaces and sub-packages. Collection of interfaces, classes and sub-packages and binded into one is called as a package. So, we discussed this. If you are having in a computer, you are having a file, images, games, videos, text files like this. So, in that folders, you may have the data files or some folders again like that. Folders are nothing but sub-packages like this here. So, we use the package to avoid naming conflicts. So, in order to avoid naming conflicts and to organize project related classes, interfaces and sub-packages into a bundle, we are using packages. If I just want to have the same concept in, if I want to have the same concept of data in, like I want to do the sum of two numbers. So, I am doing in one program. Again, I just want to go with sum of two numbers in another project. So, if there was a packages, that would differ. So, in order to avoid the naming conflicts, we are using the packages here. Coming to types of packages. So, you are having two types of packages. One is built-in package. Second one is user-defined packages. Built-in packages are the packages which are defined inbuilt by Java itself. Okay. So, like commonly used. So, all the commonly used methods are already defined in the Java package. So, those we are using it like we are using ready-madely. Okay. So, what are the built-in packages you can have is java.lang, java.util, java.io, java.swing, java.sql. So, these all are the packages. You can access it ready-madely. So, user-defined packages are the packages which are defined by ourselves, the users. So, whenever I want to create a package. So, I want to use a bundle of which consists of n number of classes, n number. For example, if a project is there, so it consists of n number of themes. So, like that, I have to define n number of classes, n number of interfaces. So, I can't go with a one file, right? So, in order to have different files and I can use in one folder or one container, so that was I can name it as a user-defined package. So, what is user-defined packages? User-defined packages are the packages defined by the user itself. Coming to, let us go with a simple example. For example, if I want to have a dress. So, what are the options I could have? I could have two options. What is that? I can go with ready-made dress, isn't it? Or I can make it stitch. What is ready-made dresses? I have to go to the shop, isn't it? I have to go to the shop and I have to buy it. Simply, I have to choose my size and I can directly buy it and I can use ready-made. Whenever, if I go for the stitching, first I have to go and buy the cloth, I have to give it to the tailor and I can stitch it as like I want. in the shop, they are already giving some dress. They are just buying it about our size and we will take and ready-madely we are wearing it. Whereas when it comes to the stature, I have to take the cloth and I have to give to the first stitching to the tailor, and I have to give the sizes, and I have to go with how I just need my dress to be there, my design. So I have to give the design and I have to give the instruction to the tailor, and he has to be stitched, fit, and he will give back to me. Then I have to wear. Clear? In the same way, built-in packages are the packages which are commonly used. Like if I want to print something on the screen, so that would be useful for everyone, right? Isn't it? So such that if you are using like that, I want to print. Some people also want to print something on a console screen, or other people, or everyone has to print something output on the console screen, right? Which was a commonly used method. So that is already defined. We import that particular package and we'll use that method. Clear? So that was like ready-made dress. When it comes to the user-defined package, I has to make my package according to my project. That was user-defined project like stitching. So coming to built-in packages, the same thing I have given here. The built-in packages are the packages from Java API. Here the Java API is a library of predefined classes, interfaces and sub-packages, and the built-in packages are included in the Java development kit. So there are many built-in packages and few of them are java.lang, IO, util, AWT, JavaX, Swing, Net, SQL, etc. These all are the few packages we are defining here. So in order to use these packages or the methods which are having in this particular package or the method in which you are using, so we need to import the particular built-in packages in order to use in our program. So to import the package, we use the import statement which we have seen in every class, isn't it? So coming to the user-defined packages. So user-defined packages are the packages which are created by the user, and user is free to create his own package. So you can create your package about your taste. So how you are going to define a package? Using package keyword. Package is a keyword which is used to create or define a package in a Java programming language. So syntax is this: package space your package name. That should be like this. So what are the note points in this? The package statement must be the first statement in the program. So if you are writing a package, you are creating a package, that should be this statement should be the first statement, has to be there in the package, and the package name must be in a single word. So it should be in a single word and it has to follow the camel case. So let us see an example program here. Package, I am writing package MLRIT. Okay, this is my package name and I am defining a class. Public class hello world. I just want to print hello world, so I am writing this public static void main string arguments hello world. This is my user defined package with name package MLRIT. Okay. So here I am just printing it. This is my package name and what is my class name? Hello World. I am saving it. Here, how you are going to compile this package? You have to compile it using Javac -d. In normal programs, you are writing Javac space program.java. So now, as this was a user-defined package, you have to use this statement -d. Okay, and next, this will create a folder like class and defining package.class, and it will be in my package. Let me show you that one also. Okay. So running like simply my package.java space my package.defining package. So here in IDEs like Eclipse and NetBeans like that, the package structures will be created automatically if you use this. Okay. Okay, this is how we will create a new package, and this is how we will create a new package, and here we are defining like this. Okay, so using this statement you are going to execute this program. So you can go with IDEs like Eclipse, NetBeans or IntelliJ you can use. So in this session what you have learned is what is a package. What is a package? Package is a collection of classes, interfaces and sub-packages. So you can say in a package is a container which consists of classes, interfaces and sub-packages simply. So how many types of packages are there? One is predefined packages and next is in user defined packages. So coming to the predefined packages are the packages which are already defined in a Java API, in a Java library which are defined in a JDK. So what are those? Java.lang, util, swing, AWT, etc. User defined are the packages which are defined by user itself. You can create your own package using package statements. So we have seen how you are going to write a package, user defined package, define a user defined package. How you are going to compile and run an user defined package. This is how we learned in this particular session. Thank you all.